Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi 9AT and let me share with you how to virus scan your device. So actually all you have to do is simply enter the security app, so let's do it. It's a default app on your device and here you've got the security scan option, so let's tap on it. Okay, I don't want to update, so as you can see right now your device is scanning itself in order to find any malware or viruses. In my case everything looks good, but if you will have any viruses then or any risk that your device may be put in, then it will be listed right here and you will be able to just tap on the option to get rid of that. And then your device will obviously automatically remove the viruses and malware. So actually that's all. This is how to virus scan your Xiaomi Redmi 9AT. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.